right in South Mumbai, a constituency that is going to polls, but 13 constituencies in Maharashtra are polling this morning in the fifth phase. To break it down, what it looked like in the year 2019, but that time, the dynamics were very different in terms of alliances. The BJP was with the United Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray, but let's take you through those figures on what they were the last time around. The BJP had 6, the Shiv Sena 7, the Congress 0. This time around, of course, the alliances have changed quite a bit. We're going to continue to get our viewers the latest coming in from the 6 seats of Mumbai that are also up for vote this morning in the fifth phase of Lok Sabha elections. Polling on in 13 overall constituencies where Maharashtra is concerned, 6 of them from Mumbai. Union Ministers Piyush Goyal, Ujjwal Nikam, Varsha Gaikwad are among the key candidates in the fray. Taking you now through some of the VIPs, the big ticket contenders where Maharashtra is concerned. Let's take you now to the VIP candidates where Maharashtra is concerned. Piyush Goyal, one of the key candidates, he is standing from the constituency of Mumbai North, Maharashtra. He, of course, a resident of Mumbai South, a short while ago had voted from Mumbai South. Ujjwal Nikam making his political debut. Of course, even Piyush Goyal fighting his first Lok Sabha election. Ujjwal Nikam will be contesting on the BJP ticket from Mumbai North Central. He was the public prosecutor in the Kasab case. The other key candidate is Varsha Gaikwad, contesting from Mumbai North Central, Congress Mumbai Unit Chief, where the Congress is concerned. Who are the other big ticket players this morning? Arvind Sawant, Shiv Sena, Mumbai South, former Union Minister. Especially when Uddhav Thackeray was with the BJP, he was one of the union ministers. He's fighting a grudge battle where Mumbai South is concerned with his erstwhile colleague from the Shiv Sena. You have Shrikant Shinde. He is, of course, the son of Eknath Shinde, the sitting chief minister of Maharashtra, and he is contesting from Kalyan. He's a sitting MP from Kalyan. These were some of the big ticket contenders this morning. Like I told you, till now, Mumbai is still about waking up, or Maharashtra in terms of still about waking up where casting its vote is concerned. Piyush Goyal, Yamini Jadhav, Ashish Shelar were the only early voters we saw from the Netas. The main contest is between the Mahayuti, where Maharashtra is concerned, comprising the Shiv Sena, the Eknath Shinde faction, BJP and NCP, and the opposition alliance of the Shiv Sena, UBT, Congress and the NCP Sharad Pawar faction. Lots of factions that have come in the last 1 year. Now, this is the first such election in Maharashtra where one faction, each of the Shiv Sena and the NCP, is with both on the other sides of the divide, the NDA and the India Alliance. Listen in to all the reactions coming in this morning from both Netas, Abhinetas casting their vote.
How are you? One minute, yeah. No, you see, along with my family, we cast our vote today. It's a very proud moment for every Indian. It's a moment of pride to participate in an election of 140 crore people. And if I remember correctly, about 97 crore voters. And just think about the logistics and the arrangements which go into it. The process of voting today was very smooth. And I would like to congratulate the Election Commission of India and all the officials who have been working throughout the country and in particular in this polling booth where I had the experience for the excellent arrangements. The logistics are humongous and I think the arrangements are excellent and it's really a moment of pride for every Indian to vote in these elections.
Governor, a lot of financial institutions come to you for their requirements. What would be your requirements from the new government?
You wait for the next monetary policy and this is not the place or the time to really comment on issues. I think let's focus on the elections and I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to every Indian, to every citizen, to every voter to come and cast their vote. हिंदी में 2 शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ. ये बहुत एक गर्व महसूस होता है जब हम वोट करते हैं. 140 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन में 97 करोड़ वोटर्स हैं और इसमें जो लॉजिस्टिक्स इन्वॉल्व है, जो अरेंजमेंट्स इन्वॉल्व है, वो इतना आसान नहीं है. बहुत बड़ा अरेंजमेंट्स और ह्यूज स्केल में ये इसका अरेंजमेंट्स होता है. सो सारे वोटर्स के लिए, देश में हर एक व्यक्ति के लिए ये बहुत एक मोमेंट ऑफ प्राइड है और मैं सबको अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि आप जल्दी सुबह से जल्द जाके अपने वोट डालिए. थैंक यू.
Governor, sir, one message. How important is political continuity for policy continuity and stability according to you, sir?
No, I think that's a loaded question, so I will not take that. Thank you. Thank you.
आज लोकतंत्र का मुंबई में और अन्य प्रदेशों में
भारत नीचे रखते
5वें चरण में मनाया जा रहा है. जैसा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने आग्रह किया देशवासियों से,
भारत बम नीचे रखना,
उनके परिवारजनों से, हम सब इस उत्सव में भाग लें. हम सब मिलकर इस उत्सव को सफल बनाएं.
लोकशाही में मतदान करना एक उत्सव है और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि हर कोई मुंबईकर अपना ये हमारे संविधान ने दिया हुआ हक से जरूर बजाएगा और बहुत से ज्यादा मतदान करेगा.
मतदाताओं से आह्वान करूंगा, ये लोकशाही का महोत्सव है. 5 साल में एक बार हम सबको उसमें सहभागिता देने का मौका मिलता है. हम सब लोग बढ़ चढ़कर आनंद के साथ, उत्साह के साथ इस मतदान प्रक्रिया में सहभागी हो. व्यवस्था इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया ने बहुत पुख्ता की है. मैं आपके माध्यम से सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं से भी निवेदन करूंगा, मतदाताओं को सहयोग करें. इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के गाइडलाइंस के तहत उस प्रक्रिया में अपनी सभा.
एक माना जा रहा है कि बहुत ही कांटे की टक्कर है मुंबई नॉर्थ ईस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में. मिहिर कोटेचा बीजेपी के आपके विरुद्ध खड़े हैं, आपका क्या कहना है?
देखिए, कोई भी, ये तो इलेक्शन रह नहीं गया है, ये तो जंग है और कोई भी जंग इतनी आसान नहीं होती. हम लड़ रहे अच्छी तरह, पर कांग्रेस, राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी और हमारे युति के जो हमारे सब लोग हैं, जो कार्यकर्ता है, वो अच्छी तरह से हमको मदद कर रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छी तरह से प्रचार हुआ है. बहुत दिनों बाद, बहुत लंबा चला है प्रचार, पर मजा भी बहुत आई. आरोप प्रत्यारोप चलते रहे, पर अभी आज का वोटिंग का दिन है.
सर, ये आप देख सकते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की भी जो रोड शो हुई थी पहली, वो आपके ही कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में जहां से आप लड़ रहे हैं, घाटकोपर, वहां पर हुई.
मैं उनका आभारी हूं क्या उन्होंने यहाँ पे रोड शो किया. उनके रोड शो करने की वजह से यहाँ जो साफ सफाई की गई, महानगर पालिका ने 4 करोड़ रुपए उनके स्वागत में किए गए. साफ सफाई में 4 करोड़ रुपए लगे. तो मुझे विनंती है क्या, अभी 4 जून तक वो पंतप्रधान है, तो उस समय तक वापस 1-2 बार आए और पूरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी घूमे, जिसके कारण पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी साफ हो जाएगी.
My colleague Vidya is joining us from the Mumbai South constituency. That's Pedder Road, and that is the booth where the Ambanis come out to vote, and possibly any time right now. We are also joined by Saurabh Vaktaria joining us from Andheri, Mumbai. Vidya, over to you first. For someone who's been tracking the Maharashtra elections, 13 seats, 6 of them coming in from Mumbai this phase, what are the key factors that you're looking at?
Of course, the key factors have been the issues that the MVA and the Maha Yuti have faced in the last few months, especially, and in the last 1 year or so. But certainly, I'm joined by a doctor from Breach Candy. If I can just show it to you, he for the last 14 years has been trying to make sure that his name gets onto the electoral rolls, but it's not. But you still come here every year.
I've applied multiple times, and every time the election comes, I come here with the hope that this time my name would be mentioned, but it's not there. Even this year it's not there, and I'm come to the booth. I was there with my wife. Now we are going back.
She votes, and she has her name registered twice.
Her name is registered twice in the voting list.
Well, so there are these goof-ups that people are pretty upset about in Mumbai. But this is the place where Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekharan just voted with his entire family, and in some time the Ambani family will also be voting. Of course, apart from this particular polling station, there are many others where we had seen, like for example, just now Piyush Goyal, one of the earliest netas in Mumbai to rise up and actually cast his vote. Piyush Goyal with his entire family just cast his vote. But of course,
Right.
As usual, every election that we have seen, people like Akshay Kumar and Anil Ambani are always the one who make it to the polling booth first thing at sunrise.